In this video, I'm going to show you how I got over 7,000 comments on a single LinkedIn post and how you can do the same. And that's coming up right now. So here we are on my LinkedIn profile, Mark Warnken. If we aren't yet connected on LinkedIn, by all means, send me a connection request. And if you're watching this on my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with all of my weekly social media videos. So how did I get over 7,000 comments from a single LinkedIn post? Well, it wasn't a fluke. It was actually something I planned, but I didn't think it would go so well. I got over 7,000 comments and I got well over 1 million views as well. So let me go and show you what that post is so then you can learn from that and try and replicate and get some of that success as well. So here is that post. Now, it was done a while ago, but it's a very good example of how effective social media can be to help promote your business and brand. So what I did on this particular one, now I just used a simple formula, got over 1 million views, got over 7,000 comments, but I had some images here to stop the scroll. Then I asked an engaging question. Can I ask for your vote on which image you prefer for my new website and social media platform? So I stopped the scroll with the eye-catching images, or hopefully I did, and the results told me I did that. Then there was a call to action. Can I ask for your vote? Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. It was very simple for people to engage. So much so, as I say, I got over 7,200 views. I didn't do a screenshot when it got to 7,200, but I think everyone can give me a bit of leeway there. 1.2 million views, over 7,000 views on a very simple formula. Now, what that also did over the ensuing weeks and probably a month, it really turbocharged my activity on LinkedIn. I was getting massive increases on everything of my views, my profile views, posting views. Here's another one, 496,000 views on a post that I did. So much so that over a 90-day period, my profile views skyrocketed to over 4,000 profile views in that 90-day period. Now, for a lot of you, you might be going back and checking your profile views. And for most people, when I'm viewing their LinkedIn profiles, looking at with them, clients and the like, they might be averaging maybe around 100 or 200. But all of that activity from that simple post really turbocharged the activity on my LinkedIn profile across all of the matrix. And here's another screenshot, 3,970 profile views, 4,000 views of another post that I did, and I appeared in 1,143 searches on that particular week only. And the reason it was effective is that I was able to stop the scroll. Now, it doesn't matter whether it's an image or a video. Our first objective anywhere online these days is to stop the scroll, and that applies on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, any of the social media platforms. See how eye-catching, engaging this particular video is. Olympic weightlifter celebrating stopping the scroll. So as I scroll through my news feed here on LinkedIn, what else can I find? Here is a video. Looks like a delivery truck has lost its load. People are now getting in and helping clean up the road. You can see how engaging it made us stop to have a look at it. Anthony's a power LinkedIn connection here in Australia. He's always posting amazing content. Look how engaging this particular video is. People going down an escalator, into an aquarium underwater. This particular post so far has had over 45,000 views. So as we scroll through my LinkedIn profile, the news feed, Florida Southern College, polls on LinkedIn, sunset, no matter what we're doing in the world of social media, the first objective is to stop the scroll. Now, there is a bit of a formula that I followed on that, and I'm going to show you what that formula is now as well, so you can all try and replicate it and have some success like I have as well. And this is the formula when posting anything or doing anything on social media or online these days. Your image is 10 times more important than the headline. Your headline is 10 times more important than the content of the post. And then your content needs to be informative, engaging, entertaining, and relevant. So we need to stop the scroll. Image, headline, content. No matter what we're doing in the world of online social media or anywhere online these days, we have to stop the scroll. And this post that I did was very effective because I got over 1 million views and over 7,000 comments. Eye-catching image, headline, can I ask for your vote? And then that created the engagement. People would have to vote. Vote 1, vote 2, vote 3, vote 4. So back to my LinkedIn profile again. Let's scroll through the newsfeed now that everyone knows the formula: image, headline, and content. So I'm scrolling through now. Obviously, a person sitting here in a deck chair looking at the beach. With the way the world is at the moment with COVID and things like that, I think we can all imagine sitting on a beach and just getting back to life and enjoying, getting back to how things were, where we could go on holidays. What's this particular one? The making of Amsterdam mist. Here we go. There's a man standing in front of, or on a bridge, or maybe it's in a green screen or something like that. But stopping the scroll. Do we wait a little bit longer? No, let's scroll through. This particular one again, video. Video is content. Video is king these days. So if you're not doing images, video content is the way of the future. So again, look how engaging this particular one here. They've smashed the glass. They're now fixing the glass. Look how amazing this particular product is. Look how amazing this particular video is in stopping the scroll and making us engage. Here we go. Video content is everywhere. This gentleman's building a dining table, or assembling the dining tables as we scroll through. So image, headline, content, that's what we should be aiming for each time we're posting on LinkedIn. Remembering, your first objective is to stop the scroll. Have a look at this image on the right-hand side. I think we can all relate to that. The mobile phone's in our hand, our finger is there scrolling, and your success on social media will be determined, I suppose, greatly by how effective you are in stopping the scroll. And here's another post that I did a screenshot of to show everyone an example. Now, I suppose posting a photo of a blue Lamborghini is maybe not playing fair, because most of us, or nearly all of us, 99.9% of us, aren't involved in Lamborghinis. But you can see how effective the post of that particular one is. The image is just striking. It stopped the scroll. Now, all of that activity that when I'm posting on LinkedIn and social media leads to me being found, leads to me being discovered. This particular business reached out to me saying, hey, Mark, can I help them provide some social media services? They messaged me after I was found. I messaged them back, and the opportunities are now well underway for us to explore something together. So in summing up, remember your image, your headline, and content. And here's an eye-catching image. Looks like many world leaders. Trump sitting down there, arms folded. I think a picture's worth 1,000 words, and in this particular one, it's a very good one to end on. So hopefully you found this video informative, entertaining, and helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all of my weekly video contents. If you're watching it on my Facebook page, don't forget to like and follow me on Facebook. Send me that connection request on LinkedIn as well. Mark Warnken, Social Media Selling 123, signing off. I look forward to seeing you again in another one of my videos real soon.